In the captivating world of Pokémon, one creature stands out as a denizen of the vast and mysterious oceans, Tentacool. This remarkable water and poison-type Pokémon is a true marvel of adaptation, with unique physical characteristics and a fascinating role in the marine ecosystem. Tentacool's appearance is nothing short of striking. Its gelatinous, jellyfish-like body boasts a translucent bluish-purple hue, accentuated by its bell-shaped central structure. This structure supports around 80 long, flexible tentacles, each armed with stinging cells. These tentacles serve as both formidable weapons and essential tools for survival in the aquatic realm. Despite reaching a modest height of about 2 feet, (0.6 meters), Tentacool is remarkably lightweight, primarily composed of water. This buoyant nature allows it to effortlessly float on the ocean's surface, where it basks in sunlight and passively feeds on smaller aquatic organisms. Its translucent body and pale coloration provide camouflage, enabling Tentacool to blend into its surroundings and evade detection by both prey and potential predators. One of Tentacool's most distinctive features is a red, gem-like structure nestled at the center of its bell-shaped body. This unique gem, often regarded as its eye, serves as a sensory organ. It aids Tentacool in detecting changes in water temperature, light, and vibrations. In the depths of the ocean, this gem can emit a faint glow, assisting Tentacool in attracting prey or communicating with other members of its species. Tentacool's adaptability to various aquatic environments is a testament to its anatomy and behavior. Its buoyant body composition allows it to effortlessly float on the water's surface, where it can drift with ocean currents or remain at the surface in calm waters. The flexible tentacles, equipped with stinging cells, provide Tentacool with a competitive edge when it comes to capturing prey and defending against potential predators. Proficient in swimming and skilled at passive drifting, Tentacool's adaptability ensures its presence in diverse aquatic habitats. Within the complex web of marine life, Tentacool exhibits captivating behavior and social dynamics within its natural habitat. As a primarily carnivorous species, it relies on predatory instincts to secure sustenance and conquer the challenges of the underwater world. Tentacool is typically a solitary creature, navigating the ocean depths alone. Its behavior is characterized by several key traits. Tentacool employs its long, stinging tentacles to capture small aquatic prey such as fish and plankton. These tentacles, armed with venomous stinging cells, inject toxins into prey, rendering them immobilized and ready for consumption. Tentacool's rhythmic pulsations of its tentacles often attract prey, underscoring its prowess as an agile hunter. A significant portion of Tentacool's existence is spent passively floating on the water's surface. This behavior allows it to conserve energy and remain alert to potential threats. By drifting with ocean currents, Tentacool can cover extensive distances while maximizing energy efficiency. Tentacool exhibits heightened activity during the nighttime hours. Under the cover of darkness, it ventures into deeper waters to hunt for prey. During the day, it tends to remain closer to the water's surface, where it can passively feed and maintain vigilance. Despite its solitary nature, Tentacool may display aggressive defensive behavior when confronted by threats or intruders. Its stinging tentacles serve as a potent deterrent, delivering painful stings to discourage potential attackers. Tentacool plays an indispensable role in the Pokémon world's marine ecosystems, acting as both predator and prey. This dynamic interplay contributes significantly to the balance of underwater life. It preys upon smaller aquatic organisms, such as fish and plankton, establishing itself as a vital link in the marine food chain. However, it also falls prey to larger water-type Pokémon like Sharpedo and Gyarados. Some Pokémon, notably Remoraid, form symbiotic relationships with Tentacool. Remoraid often attach themselves to Tentacle's tentacles, benefiting from the protection and transportation provided by their host. Tentacool may engage in competitive encounters with other predatory water-type Pokémon when hunting grounds overlap. These interactions can lead to territorial disputes and occasional battles for resources. Tentacool possesses a unique set of abilities and moves that perfectly align with its aquatic lifestyle, making it a formidable opponent in battles. Tentacool's clear body ability prevents its stats from being lowered by opposing Pokémon. This ability symbolizes the resilience and adaptability required to thrive in the challenging conditions of underwater living. Tentacool's hidden ability, Liquid Ooze, inflicts damage on any opponent attempting to drain its HP through moves like Giga Drain. This ability mirrors the stinging and venomous nature of its tentacles, causing harm to those who attempt to sap its vitality. Tentacool's moves include Poison Sting, Water Gun, Wrap, Toxic, and Hydro Pump. Each move reflects its real-world counterparts and its natural affinity for water-based attacks. Tentacool's evolutionary lineage comprises two distinct stages, each with its unique set of characteristics and adaptations. This evolutionary progression plays a vital role in Tentacool's life cycle and its ability to thrive in aquatic environments. Tentacool begins its life as a smaller and less developed Pokémon, resembling a larval or juvenile form. At this stage, Tentacool is relatively tiny, with a translucent and less elaborate appearance. It lacks the long, flowing tentacles of its evolved form. These tentacle larvae are typically found in shallow coastal waters, where they drift along with ocean currents and feed on plankton and small aquatic organisms. Their small size and translucent bodies allow them to blend into their surroundings, providing some protection from potential threats. Upon reaching a certain level of maturity and growth, Tentacool undergoes metamorphosis, evolving into the more formidable Tentacruel. Tentacruel is characterized by its larger size and more developed bell-shaped body, featuring longer and more powerful tentacles. It gains greater control over its stinging cells, making it a more efficient hunter and defender. Tentacruel represents the mature and dominant stage in Tentacool's life cycle. Trainers and explorers in the Pokémon games and animated series frequently encounter Tentacool in various captivating ways, shedding light on its role in the Pokémon world. In the Pokémon games, one of the most common methods of encountering Tentacool is by using a fishing rod while near bodies of water, such as the ocean or lakes. When fishing, there is a chance that Tentacool will be hooked as the player's target Pokémon. While using the move Surf to navigate bodies of water, players may also encounter wild Tentacool as random encounters. This is especially true when surfing in the open sea. In some games with underwater exploration, players can encounter Tentacool while diving underwater and exploring coral reefs or underwater caves. Certain games feature specific areas, such as the Safari Zone or special event locations, where Tentacool may appear as part of the available Pokémon species. In the Pokémon animated series, Tentacool is often depicted as a common, and sometimes troublesome presence in the ocean. Notable episodes and stories featuring Tentacool include its interactions with other characters and Pokémon in the water-based world. Tentacool's significance in the Pokémon world extends to its role as an ecological steward, contributing to the balance of marine life in several ways. By preying on smaller aquatic organisms, Tentacool helps prevent the overpopulation of certain species, ensuring a harmonious marine ecosystem. Its predation on various smaller organisms aids in maintaining biodiversity in marine ecosystems, preventing any single species from becoming too dominant. While a predator itself, Tentacool also serves as a food source for larger water-type Pokémon, contributing to the intricate balance of predator-prey relationships. Tentacool's waste contains valuable nutrients that benefit phytoplankton and other microorganisms, contributing to nutrient cycling and the overall health of the marine ecosystem. Its presence in coral reefs and other underwater environments can influence the behavior and distribution of other Pokémon species, creating microhabitats and niches that benefit other aquatic life forms. Tentacool, like many other Pokémon species, faces an array of challenges and threats in its natural aquatic environment. These challenges have spurred evolutionary adaptations that enable it to thrive. Tentacool's stinging tentacles and ability to release toxins serve as a defense mechanism against natural predators, allowing it to deter and repel potential threats. Its buoyant body and passive drifting behavior help conserve energy and reduce exposure to danger. The ability to adapt to various aquatic habitats, from coastal waters to the open sea, ensures that Tentacool can find suitable environments for survival. Tentacool stands as a remarkable testament to nature's adaptability and diversity in the Pokémon world. Its unique physical characteristics, behaviors, and role in marine ecosystems make it a captivating and vital member of the aquatic realm. Whether encountered as a trainer, a researcher, or an enthusiast, Tentacool's presence in the Pokémon world never fails to inspire awe and curiosity about the mysteries of the deep blue sea. Thank you for watching. Please comment below what your favorite Pokémon is.